Hello, everyone. My name is Radu, and I had the privilege of working with Teodora very closely in the last 2 years of my high school. I was struggling to motivate myself to keep on pushing, and I was never really taught how to study and how to revise efficiently, and mixed with some massive gaps in my knowledge, I was desperate for some help. Luckily, help came at the best time and in the best shape possible. Teodora spoke only to me, not to my parents, in order to understand what I needed and what I wanted. She was patient, understanding, and warm, and with her help and her kind words, I was able to get myself back on track. She was able to find me private tutors to help fill in the gaps in my knowledge, who helped me massively understand my subjects and teach me slightly better than my teachers did over 2 years. She taught me how to study, taught me interesting new techniques, how to apply them in my case, and checked in with me very often to make sure that I was doing all right. Her techniques made the best of my time in order to make sure that it was never just work that took over my life, but I was living a balanced lifestyle and also enjoying myself. All it would take was one message and she'd call you right back. Sometimes I even wondered if I was the only person she was ever really working with, because it was shocking how quickly she'd get back to me. She was always right there for me whenever I needed, no matter when, no matter what. And she always will be. Now, you might think that speaking to Teodora and working with her is just a box to tick for your parents, but I can assure you it is not. It is the best decision you will ever make. Now, looking back, I can't believe I was ever struggling with my A-levels. It was so easy with Teodora's help, and by having her right next to me and right behind me at any given time. Now that they're over, I'm so relieved and so glad and so thankful. Teodora is not just an education consultant. She knows everything there is to know about education, and she will help you make better decisions for your future. But she is also a teacher. She is a friend, and she is your number one fan. Everybody should have that chance to work with her, and she will always be there for you every step of the way. I could not have done it without her. Thank you.